would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, or welcome to our channel. If you're new here, my name is Ashley, and today I have for you a small kitchen organization type video. I went through the cabinets and I cleared out everything. I organized, I decluttered, I cleaned, and I just made it function in general as a whole better than what it was. So if you like these types of videos, guys, stick around for more. I'm going to have a part 2 to this video. I went through all the bottom cabinets and cleared out and did the exact same thing. So if you like these types of videos, give us a like, comment below, and subscribe to our channel. We would love to have you here.
she stands by the window, stares at the morning sun.
So now that you saw the before, I want to show you guys the process of how I declutter. I just clear out one cabinet at a time and then I clean it. I'm using Mrs. Meyer's spray, and I'm using also some ant spray because, guys, we have ants, and I'm trying to make sure that they're not in the cabinets because I saw a few. And yeah, so I did those. I didn't spray it, like I let it dry and stuff like that, but I did go through and I sprayed and I cleared out one cabinet at a time, and I reorganize that one cabinet at a time. I know some people take everything out and then they do it like that, but for me and my mindset, I need to do one cabinet at a time. So that's what I did.
She wanders along the trail down to the river.
So guys, that's all the food that was in the cabinets. There was some stuff like stuck in the back, and I'm glad I was able to clear it out, but it was crazy that we were only using that one cabinet to store all of the main food, like canned goods and stuff like that. So I'm glad that I switched it out. Instead of putting our food back in that cabinet, I decided to put the plates and the mugs and the glasses and everything inside of that cabinet. Right now I'm just showing you guys some of my mug collections. I don't really have a lot, but that used to be my favorite mug. It had 5 bumblebees on it, and we were a family of 5 for so long, and so that's a sentimental mug for me. But anyways, I went through the cabinets and I organized one cabinet at a time, and then I went to the other cabinet and did the same thing. So what you see, what I'm doing right now is putting all my canned goods at the top, because I figured if you put one canned good, like you line up all your green beans, all your sweet peas, all your canned goods at the top, and you'll know at first glance what you have. And so that's exactly what I did. I went through and I just organized all of the canned goods. From first glance, I can see what I have.
Seem to be improvised. What can you do when you're head over heels in love? No need to fight, but it's keeping her up all through the night. No end in sight.
I'm gonna link these containers in the description. I got them from Amazon. It came with those little spoons. It also came with labels, chalk marker. So I was going to use my Cricut to cut out the labels for this, but I was like, no, these are nice, and I kind of like the little vibe that it was giving off. So I decided to go ahead and use those, and I'm so glad that I did. They're not like a sticker. It's more like a little rubbery, I don't know, but it's very durable. So I put those on, and guys, when I tell you, it's functional and aesthetically pleasing. I love that.
Searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind. I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.
So right here, I'm just showing you guys how much space I have still when all of the containers are pushed back. So if I did need to add anything extra, I could. And yeah, you just saw me get almost knocked out by Tupperware. That's how much Tupperware we had in our house. It was just not functioning. I had like a little bin, and I still used the bin. You'll see that I still kept the bin, but I just went through and just organized and just, pared it down as best as I could.
The sky is falling down. I was lost in a city dream.
I'm just going through and clearing off the counter. I'm grouping all the items for donation, trash, and recycling. I didn't know that Target had a recycling area you can drop things off, and yeah, so I found that out the other day. I also got these bins from Burlington. They came 3 in the pack for $10, so I'm going to be using those to group my like items. And in this bin, these are items that don't really fit into a category, so this is going to be like my miscellaneous bin. And then hope it works out, especially when putting groceries away, we can have a place for everything. And so I'm putting that at the top of the cabinet, and I have this little sticker that says miscellaneous. So cute.
I hope you'll always be around, even if I fail. You are like a summer breeze that I must inhale. Is it possible for us to feel this way forever?
So this is the bin I was currently using for all our baking stuff, but I'm just going to switch it out for the ones from Burlington so everything can look uniform and everything matches. And I'm just showing you guys some things that I put in there, basically all things pertaining to baking.
And for you, there is nothing in this world I wouldn't do. I would walk 1,000 miles just to see you. I hope you'll always be around, even if I fail. You are like a summer breeze that I must in.
So the snack cabinet had all kind of little pieces of candy and popcorn just stuck to the bottom of it. Surprised the ants were not in there. It's very awkward space as well. So I originally started putting everything into that cabinet, and then I moved everything to a different cabinet so that the space can function a little better and I can have room for other things as well.
That I must inhale. Is it possible for us to feel this way forever? Loving you has never felt right.
Alright, so this is our last big cabinet where we're moving things around. So I'm going to be moving all this stuff to this little corner cabinet over here, and this is where I'm going to put my Tupperware. All my Tupperware stuff that you guys saw me declutter earlier, I'm going to be putting it up here. But I need to do the same thing I've been doing, wiping everything down, spraying everything, and then moving everything. Guys, the top of the cabinet wasn't that bad, but the top of the microwave was really bad. So I'm glad I was able to clear that off as well. When I was cleaning that, it was very disgusting. So that's that. I'm glad it's done. So the K-cups were giving me a hard time, and I forgot that I had this home organizer, drawer organizer. So I'm using that to organize the teas and the cups, and it worked out really beautifully. So glad I was able to do that. And yes, that is anti-stress tea that you see. I haven't tried it yet, so I'm sure I'm going to be needing to try it soon. I got it from TJ Maxx if you're interested in it, but I guess I'll let you guys know if it's okay. Did it work? Also, I had these towels in that drawer, so I put them in this basket just to save us some space. I got this spice rack from Walmart, and I got it for the jars itself. I didn't realize it had stuff inside of it, so I'm gonna be returning this. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it. I'm gonna give you guys one more pan around of all the cabinets that we did today. And just to give you a point of reference, we only did the top cabinets. I'm gonna be doing the bottom cabinets underneath the sink, organizing pots and pans on part 2. So you don't want to miss that. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss those videos. Also gonna be doing a boho kitchen makeover, so you don't want to miss that. I'm super excited about that one. Also, it doesn't matter how big or small your space is. We are, as women, we are natural creators. We can create a space to make it feel and function just fine. So it doesn't matter how big or small. You just have to have some little techniques and little habits, and it gets better with time. Also, do right by the small things. God gives us small things, or in our eyes we think they're small, but he gives us things to see how we're going to treat it, how, if we're going to mishandle it. How can he trust us to give us something bigger and better if we can't even handle the small things that he gives us in our eyes, like I said before? Because it may be small to you, but it may not be small for someone else. But you get what I'm saying, guys. Do right by the small things. Also got this this bin and the little rack from Marshall's. I want to throw that in there after the sermon, you know. But I will see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope this bless you. And yeah, until next time. Bye, guys.